In a video message, the Princess of Wales expertly coordinated her outfit to represent the Red Roses, England's rugby squad. Kate Middleton is ready to cheer on the Women's England rugby team, even if it means waking up a bit early. The Princess of Wales, who took over as patron of the Rugby Football League and the Rugby Football Union earlier this year, shared a video message wishing luck to the Red Roses as they compete in the Rugby World Cup in New Zealand, which kicks off this weekend. Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a moment to wish the Red Roses all the very best of luck for the Rugby World Cup in New Zealand, Kate, 40, said. I had so much fun with you all at Twickenham earlier this year, and I cannot wait to see how you get on during the tournament. For many of the team, this will be the first World Cup you've played in. Congratulations on being selected for the squad. I know this will be a particularly proud moment in your career so far, and I hope you enjoy every minute, she continued. I was also delighted to hear that some of the winning squad from 2014 are back to help bring the cup home again. Giving a nod to the time difference between England and New Zealand, Kate said, "Good luck for the weeks ahead. I'll be setting my alarm clock early to cheer you on all the way." The Princess of Wales thoughtfully chose her outfit as a nod to the team's name, the Red Roses. Sporting a red blazer over a white top, she accessorized with a rose brooch. The Rugby World Cup will run until November. In February, Kate made her debut in her new rugby role by visiting Twickenham Stadium to meet players, coaches and referees from the men's and women's squads as they prepared for the Six Nations Championships. She even participated in a line-out play, where a player can be hoisted in the air by their teammates to receive a ball after it goes out of the field of play. Kate couldn't help but laugh as she was lifted, showing off her athletic abilities by expertly catching the ball and passing it to a player down below, and she was praised with cheers and applause following the successful play. Kate's new role, which previously belonged to her brother-in-law Prince Harry, also set up a husband versus wife sports rivalry in the household, as Prince William is patron of the Welsh Rugby Union. Despite supporting opposing teams, the couple was in the stands for the England versus Wales Six Nations game at Twickenham Stadium in February, bringing along son Prince George. Kate walked away with the bragging rights, as England won the match 23-19. It's common for the Prince and Princess of Wales to send messages of support to England's sports teams. Over the summer, Prince William enlisted daughter Princess Charlotte to wish their country's soccer team, the Lionesses, luck in a video message ahead of their Euro 2020 final match against Germany. "We both want to wish the Lionesses the best of luck tonight. You've done amazingly well in the competition, and we're rooting for you all the way," William said before Charlotte added, "Good luck." I hope you win. By exclamation mark. It worked. England won the tournament, and Prince William was there to help present the trophy.